So already got a dozer over there, so I have to connect the cable to it. And I will put a rope over there and maybe use the cat to get it over there.
The last 3/4 of a ton, 2-inch thick steel cable has been stretched across the pond and still needs to be hauled the final 50 yards up a steep overgrown berm to reach its anchor point, the D6 dozer.
I'm here to hook on to a rope that Len's throwing down over the berm there so I can hook it onto the cable to get it up to the dozer. Yeah, got it. Okay, Len. Me and Len can't pull on the cable by hand, so he's going to fire up the dozer, hook onto this rope, and then hopefully pull this cable up to him. You can keep going forward.
So we tried the rope and it didn't work. So I think I'm gonna try it with the excavator. It's got a little risk that I will sink it.
Len decides to abandon the rope and use the bucket arm of an excavator chained to the cable to haul it up the steep berm. But to get in position, the 55-ton 700 has to cross soft ground.
Because you can see the excavator sinking a little bit.
Okay, Len.
Yeah?
Yeah, that should do it, Len.
Beautiful. There you go. Now the winch cable of the dredge is connected to the dozer.
It'll be interesting to see if with the winches they can pull it off. They got every corner cable hooked up, so if they do it right, you should pull right out of there. Look how nice the thing flows out of there, perfectly.
I think if I go forwards, we got it.
That looks good. Yeah, good. She's clear and you're floating. So pull. There you go. The whole thing is floating. Boy, that was sure nice to get up that gangplank.
Yes, sir.
Right? That's been a long time coming, you know that?
Yep.
Good. So you guys want to fire it up and make the thing work?
Should we need a bottle of champagne? And
Well, you know, the way this summer been going, I don't know if the old lady's going to go for that.
yeah.
We may have to cut the champagne out, fill that bottle with orange juice or something. Anyway, if you guys want to fire this thing up, let it rip.
I'm so excited I could just my pants. So I'm going to start up the trommel.
There we go. Perfect.
Stacker coming on.
All right, stack was running.
There we go. We got some water coming. Okay, here comes the bucket line.
After 5 years, Tony's dredge is finally catching much-needed gold once again.
There's your first dirt in the bucket. We got it going. It's
Okay.
good. Perfect. That looks pretty awesome if you ask me. Been a long time coming. It's nice to see it run again. Beautiful system.
Hi, guys. Oh, we have some newbies.
Newbies, yeah. It's exciting, huh?
Glad somebody is excited.
At Paradise Hill, the Beets are meeting for their first gold way, running 3 wash plants, including the historic dredge.
Anyway, gentlemen, that was a nice run with the dredge, huh?
Yep.
It was too bad we had all them troubles, though, hey?
And the gent said that was up.
It was to be expected, though, Greg.
Yep. No,
But
it was.
After we got through most of the troubles, the thing still ran pretty nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sluice a lot.
The new plant, sluice lot, ran all week. Pretty good. It's nice having a plant running there again.
Yeah, no.
So you're building quite a stockpile there by the trommel there, dude.
The plant's not chewing through the dirt as fast as they're bringing it right now, so you might as well pile it up there.
What do you want to weigh up first? I got 3 jars.
Okay, weigh that dredge up. How long did we run it for?
I think only 2 days now.
Weigh it. One of you guys count.
Yeah, let's do it, yeah.
For 2 days running, Tony's hoping the dredge will deliver at least 20 ounces.
2 ounces, 5 ounces, 15. Final is 22.56 ounces.
Worth over $40,000.
That's what we said, 1 ounce an hour, so it's pretty close.
The cost of running it is cheap.
If you can run that thing every day, 24 hours a day, it's a nice producer.
Yeah.
So next up is sluice lot.
Who's counting?
I'm counting.
Okay, are you ready?
Sir Sluicelot has run all week at the Indian River and should be bringing in 200 ounces.
10, 20, 40, 50, 100, 120, 140, 180, 18436. Sluice lot.
I take that any day. Okay, you gonna pour the trommel?
Yeah.
Dialed in at 300 yards per hour, 24/7 on Paradise Hill, the trommel should bring in around 400 ounces.
Mike is gonna count.
20, 30, 40, 80, 100, 120, 130, 150, 180, 190, 205.22.
That's not great for 24/7, is it?
Yeah.
So this week we did about 412 ounces.
Bringing their season total to 1,669 ounces.
Yeah, so it's quite a bit of money, so that's good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm Parker Schnabel and you're watching Discovery Australia. Hit subscribe now to not miss out on any Gold Rush content.